Hi folks, I'll make a quick video to talk about how important it is to tram your machine, because if you're an imbecile like I am, you just decide to start making stuff without tramming, which leads to a whole bunch of extra work. So I started here just to kind of give you guys a view. If you look at the bottom cocktail smoker there's a bunch of lines on there. That's due to the carriage, or the gantry I guess, not being plumb to the table. So what I ended up doing is putting some shims in there to shim the x-axis, and then made sure that it was aligned in the y-axis, and after that it actually helps quite a bit. So one thing that you'll notice is that if you don't, you have that. And that is a problem, that gap there. So that's what I ended up having to add shims to, the screws that hold that. These are the results when it's not properly trammed. And unfortunately, when you get this, the only way to salvage this is to do like a whole lot of this, and it sucks. I would avoid it. So I fixed it. This is just MDF, but you can kind of see it's a much smoother finish. Anyway, tram your machines. See ya.